Imagine this moment. You wake up one morning and check your crypto wallet and see your small SRP investment suddenly worth 1000 more. It feels impossible now, but something big could be approaching. And if you have been watching very closely, you'll know that silence is often the calm before the storm. Welcome back to the channel. Today we go deep into the latest news about SRP and closer look at Ripple hidden moves and the kind of price prediction that might surprise you. This is not hype, it's a information that smart investors are already paying attention to it. So stay till the end because every minute matters. First, let's understand what's happening behind the scene. Ripple, the company behind SRP, has quietly expanded its global coverage over the last few months. From Asia to the parts of Middle East, Ripple payment infrastructure is being tested by banks and companies to send money worldwide within a second. These are real world use case and not a promise. And here, the part many investors miss is the legal clarity. After a year of fighting with US SEC, experts believe Ripple is very close to a full resolution. That one event could lift a huge weight from SRP and possibly open the gate for more American exchange. What then happens is trading volume could explode. Now, the big question, what does chart shows right now? The SRP has been holding steady around $2.49 to a $2.55 and half a dollar in global market. This level become a stronger support zone, meaning larger investor accumulating quietly. That's why volatility is low. It's usually a signal of preparation before a breakout. The analytics is expected to rise toward $3.20, maybe even $3.50 before the end of the October. And remember, breaking of $2.50 mark is physiological makes trader pay attention gain. From here, things can move fast, just like in the past the SRP rushed upward after long quiet months. But what's Ripple specially isn't just trading or a chart, it's a technology. Ripple payment network allows bank and institution to transfer money across border instantly using SRP as a bridge currency. While most coins chase quick profits, Ripple focus on solving real financial problem. Some countries are now considering Ripple system as a part of their testing for the central bank digital currency. That means SRP could be connected to officially digital money movement backed by government. In the crypto, the kind of adoption is huge. Stop and think about this. Most coin exist on exchange. They are traded, speculated, pumped and forgotten. But SRP has something they don't, working business model tied to real world. The difference is the reason analysts believe SRP could be one of the few long-term survivor. Now listen closely because this is the most important emotion. Like almost every time SRP make a larger move in history, people had already lost interest. They called it boring. They said it was stuck, and right after that it exploded. It happened before. It could happen again. So if you are watching this now, thinking of SRP is low, slow thinking, think again. This kind of silence before rally often separate the smart holder from impatient traders. Let's break down what indicate shows today. Technically, RSI is sitting in the balance range, suggesting accumulation is not overbought or oversold. The trading volume remains steady, not falling, which means long-term investor aren't living. When Bitcoin stays strong above 1.20k, so what happens when a Bitcoin explode? You know, whenever you see if the Bitcoin gets exploded and other 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 coin, altcoin moves also, and the way the Bitcoin is going up, there's a huge chance the SRP might be hitting uh, $3.50, and even some analytics are suggesting that it's gonna hit $5 by the end. Have you wonder if you feel like to catch a perfect showing sign that could set up just that kind of run? So pay close attention. As you can see in the chart. So let me do the chart analysis now. Right now, the SRP is currently trading around 2.49 cent on the platform which I'm using. And after the small drop from its recent high of about 2.51 cent, if you look closely at the chart, you'll see a strong support building as buyers step in nearly 2.49 cent and 2.48 cent. That's almost 2.5 holding steady, while some volatility keeps things interesting. Over the past 24 hours, SRP has gained about 2.3% with the trading volume staying active. In fact, more than $146 billion of SRP change hands, showing a real interest is still alive. This isn't just a random movement, it's a sign that market players, both big and small, are watching this level very closely. But here, what makes current movement very exciting. Ripple long fight with the regulatory is slowing fading from headline, and major bank in Asia and Middle East are testing Ripple's bank network for the real world transfer. That means adoption is quietly ramping up behind the scene while the market finds its footing. Let's focus on the price action for the second. The chart shows the super trend indicator hovering just above the current price potential setup for a reversible if it's buying up. The volume mark spikes like the ones seen at 10 a.m. UTC often mean the whale are moving. When that happens, quick upward price swing aren't far behind. Analysts are watching for push of $2.55 and then $2.60, which could happen overall crypto sentiment stay positive. So what does it mean for you as a trader or investor? The story is simple. The SRP is holding firm in a zone where accumulation is happening and the risk of the sharp drops looks limited while support stays strong. If momentum build, this level could become the launchpad for the next big up, especially if the Bitcoin and other major rallies. Before you decide, remember, most people miss profit by selling too soon, doubting during a sideways move. SRP past proves that rebound often follow boring flat days like today. So have patience. Watch the super trend. Keep eye on those volume spike as you can see in the screen. And next few days could be the much more exciting than anyone expected. Thanks for watching and subscribe for the real-time update. And in the description, you will find the free newsletter so you can subscribe. And I will be sending a free competition to your email every day. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was nice.